Alright guys, I'm going to try something here and see how deep I can get the notch in this tree before it falls over. This will be interesting. Don't try this at home. I think I'm about over halfway through it now. Maybe we ought to cut it out and see, maybe we'll add more. Alright, there's not much left holding there. Let's get a little side view. Still hanging on there. Alright, it's not the deepest notch I've ever taken, but that's pretty deep for this size of a log. All right, there it is. You can see the cut. I mean, that's a lot of stump down there. That wasn't bad. It was fun. I probably could have went more, but chickened out a little bit. But I think it was pretty good. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.